Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia 5.3. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your display. First, go to Settings. Next, Display. Here we've got some options. For example, brightness level, where you can manually change your brightness level. Next, night light, when you can put your phone into night light mode. It helps you fall asleep and your eyes rest easily. Next, adaptive brightness. By turning it on, your phone will automatically adaptive brightness. Next is white balance. Here you can choose your white colors to be warm or cold. Next is wallpaper. Here you can set the wallpaper. It could be wallpaper from system or from photos you've made or download. Also, you can choose it to be home screen, lock screen or home and lock screen. Next is dark theme. If you put it on, turn it on, your phone will come to dark screen. Next is sleep. After 15 seconds or 30 minutes of inactivity, your phone will go to sleep. Next is auto rotate screen. If you click it, your phone will automatically rotate. Next is font size. In this option, you can change your font size to small or large. Next is display size. Same as font, you can change your icons and system goes to small or big. Next is screensaver. If you're not using your phone goes to screensaver. You can choose it to be clock or colors or photos. Also, you can choose when it has to start, while charging, while docked, or while charging and docked, or never. Last one is lock screen display. Here we've got some options. You can lock screen with notification or don't show notification. You can send yourself a message. It will be shown on screen. Also, you can show new notifications and show assistant button. If this video was helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.